Hello. Again, I'm out hiking. Okay, what we're gonna do tomorrow is this peak here. Let me there, right there. That is. I forgot the name of it. Anyhow, we're gonna do that peak. Damn, I can't remember the name of it. Fletcher Peak. That's it. Yep. Fletcher Peak. And then behind me, I have the oldest tree ever. It's like a 3,000-year-old tree. There, that one there. So, and then we're gonna take a hike down here today, and we're gonna go see hmm, Springs, Mummy Springs. Then behind me, I have Mummy's Toe. That's Mummy's Toe. We're not gonna climb that little sucker today. No way. Next time, maybe. But we're all set up. We've got our camp set up, and it's ready to be a fun day. Bye there.